Pacific to buy that from them for a huge amount of money. That's what it looks like to me.
Got it. So sort of the notion of the Jennings being the default location.
The Y being.
The Y being the default location.
I've called the Jennings station since the discussion began about an overcrossing, and my focus is the JC, because the JC is the biggest trip generator in Sonoma County, with the county administration center being right behind it. And listening to the conversation yesterday, I tend toward the Coddingtown location just because I think it's a friendlier location for people to offload, particularly women, particularly in the evening.
That's what Peter's for.
The Jennings, unless there's some major commercial development there that I'm not familiar with, that site kind of worries me actually, as far as would it be used to its full potential. But I love the idea of getting the JC. That train is going to draw people from 35 miles either direction to get to that campus. It's going to be good for the campus, and it's going to keep the cars out of my neighborhood that I can't.
Full potential. And this is the one that's not perpendicular. The one that would go to the. This is the Y.
Only one is perpendicular.
Oh, you're right. Right. They're all the way.
Pretty close together. So 1, 2, 3.
Well, just
Right.
it's really just.
And this is the one that, because this is the Y, and people say, oh, this is so short. But this is the back corner of the JC, and the classes are way over there. And that starts to favor up here. Yeah. The people who say, oh, this is the shortest distance to the JC. Well, once you get here, you're hardly at the JC.
Quarter mile there.
It's so ridiculous that anybody ever makes the point that this is closer to the JC, because they don't know the JC and what goes on there if they think being there is of any value to anybody.
That's the most desolate part of the JC.
That's right. It's to your life as you move along those paths, that the distance becomes less important if there are events, if there are opportunities to participate in the life of the city.
Right. It creates community by having interaction.
Think about some of those things and start to surface some of the issues around that part of building